You are welcome back to my channel. My name still remains Lukman, and today I want to quickly show you how to make your own breakthrough soap, or what some other people call Favour soap. In this video, you are not going to be spending so much to get your own breakthrough soap. So let's get into it. Making your own breakthrough soap. Why exactly do you need a breakthrough soap? A lot of people have problems when it comes to getting things done or making money. And as a business person, it is desire of everyone to make money. If you are the one that have your own business, you need customers and to give you contracts to make money. You need money. If you work in a paid employment, you also need money. You need promotion. You need people to favor you. And even if you don't have a job, all you need is favor. And if you are the type that is selling, you are into online e-commerce or offline commerce, you still need favor. You are a married spouse, you need favor. You are single, you need favor. You need favor to locate you. And a lot of people have this issue. People don't favor some people. I know some people, when they even go for parties, they even forget them. They serve food, pass them and give to the other person because they are not favored. You need to be favored. There are so many instances where you need favor. So I won't be going into nitty-gritty, but if you yourself you know that you need favor, you need breakthrough, then this video is definitely for you. What are the ingredients we are going to be needing? The ingredients we are going to be needing for this simple breakthrough soap is, as usual, you need a kind of soap. But the soap we need that I will recommend, that I've been using, I've been giving to people, is Lost soap. Though Lost is not paying me to advertise this, I will link that up here. Lux soap. Lux. It is Lux soap. It is white in color. Lux soap. Lux white soap. A tablet soap. Tablet. I will link it. I will show it. You'll see the picture very well so that you understand what I'm talking about. Then the second thing you are going to be using is coconut. Everybody knows coconut. This is coconut. Coconut. We need coconut. And the third thing we need is our candle. White candle. White candle. White candle. Then we are going to be needing a plastic container. White plastic container. White plastic container. It must be white. For instance, I have other ones. I have like this one, but no, what you want is container white, not this color, not any color. White, it must be white. You can also get something like this. This is also a container. It's also a container, so you can also get something like this, but you definitely need a white container. So we are needing 4 things. Your Lost tablet soap, the tablet soap, not liquid soap now, tablet Lux. You are needing your plastic container, you need a candle, and you also need a coconut. You need coconut. So the next step is the preparation. How do you prepare this? Okay, the first thing is to get your coconut. The normal practice, we normally open our coconut from one of the eyes. The coconut has 3 eyes. We normally open it from one of the eyes. But in this case, you are not opening it from one of the eyes. We are breaking it. You have to break it open, because it is not the water inside that we need. What we need now is the meat, coconut meat inside. That whitish part inside, the edible part inside, is what we need. Once you open your coconut, get the edible part out, then you have to cut it into pieces, shred it. If possible, you can grate it. Cut into pieces and grate it, or you can just blend it, cut into pieces and blend it. Once you blend it, then pour it somewhere. Pour it maybe in the container, the white container. Pour the thing in the white container. Then, okay, I didn't mention the other part. The other part we still need is a perfume. We need a perfume, but I will recommend you get a perfume. There is one we call ONALA perfume. ONALA is a Yoruba word. It means open door. Open door is a breakthrough perfume. But you don't necessarily have to get that particular type. If you cannot get ONALA perfume, there are so many other perfumes in the market that you can get. I don't mean spray this time, I mean perfume. If you cannot get ONALA, then you can get any perfume that has very strong odor, like a masculine type perfume. You can get so many. There are so many, but the one that smells so nice and so strong, it has a strong smell. Get a masculine one. And there is this other one, divine grace. You can get divine grace. You can get ONALA perfume. I will also link, I will put that in the description, all the ingredients you need. So after shredding your coconut, or after blending the coconut meat, you blend it. The water, just do away with the water. We don't need the water now. It's the meat inside that we need. After getting that, then you get your soap, the Lost soap. And by the way, you can also use any other soap, but it must be white tablet soap. It must be white. It must also have a good smell. White. And it must be not this very small type, big type, and it is white. And wherever you are, just get the white one. If you cannot get Lost soap, we have Lost soap in our country here, Nigeria. But wherever you are, just get a white soap that has good smell and it is big. Tablet soap this time around. Also shred it into pieces. Use something, you can use a grater to grate it. Make sure it is shredded. It's very small. You grate it. It's a pity I don't have it here. I will just show you, but I will link it so that you can. I will show it in the picture so that you can see it. You shred it into pieces. You also put that aside. So you now you mix that soap with the soap you shredded with the coconut pulp that you have made. Then you blend them together. You can use mortar or you can use blender. If you are in Nigeria, where you can easily use mortar to do it together. If not, you can use blender. Just use blender to blend them together. Once you blend them together, then get everything and put in the white container. Everything that you have blended together, put it in the white container. After putting it in the white container, then you get your perfume. You add your perfume according to your desired taste, because like ONALA perfume is a little bit big. Don't pour everything, maybe half or 1/3. Just pour it into it. And we are not using ONALA, you are using divine grace. You can buy the small type Divine Grace, then get just half into it. Make sure you put it and mix everything together. Any perfume you are using at all, make sure you mix it together with the mixture of the soap and the coconut. So the next step after doing that is to place this mixture that you have put in your container, put it somewhere, and get your candle. You have to light the candle. Just light it beside it. Don't let it be too close to the plastic container. You know it is plastic. You can just, you put it like this and light it. You light it. Make sure it is lighted. But make sure this one is compulsory. I'm giving you a secret. This is a valuable secret. A lot of people don't know this. Most times, if you do this for people who don't tell them the last part, it is we that do the last part. But I want to give this to you because you are my valuable subscriber. I love you so much because you really love me and you've been with me throughout this past months. So you light it and you let this burn to ground. Make sure the thing finish burning. You can just put it beside, just in a corner, but don't put this on the bare floor. Make sure you have something. You might have an handkerchief or hand towel. Put it under and just place this. Then you place, don't place this very close to it. Let it be somewhere and you light it. What you are doing it, you are sanctifying this. You are sanctifying this and you are making it to be powerful. But when you are doing it, when you light this, you have to remove the cover. It should not be cover. You remove the cover and put somewhere and you light this. It is very simple. You light it beside it. You are sanctifying it. So after then, you cover it. And keep it. Just keep it for like 3 days. Keep it for like 3 days. After the 3rd day, you'll be using it to bathe. Whenever you want to bathe with it. And by the way, you have to get a new sponge for this. Get a new sponge. Preferably a white sponge. You can see everything we've been using is white. Preferably a white sponge. Like I have a white sponge. If I want to do this, I will buy a separate white sponge. You can use the local native sponge if you have, but if you don't have, buy this sponge, the one this aboki sell about, just like 100 naira or 200 naira. Make sure it is white. If it has green thread, remove the green thread. Leave that sponge alone. Let it be plain white, and you'll be using it to bathe every morning. You'll be using it to bathe every morning, except on Wednesdays and Saturdays. You heard me right. Wednesdays and Saturday. Don't use it on Wednesday and Saturday, but other days use it to bathe. This will open doors for you. Don't joke with this. Because I didn't ask you to bring money does not mean it is not effective. This one is very, very, very effective. If you have any business doing, make sure you have this soap. If you don't have any business but you desire to have, make sure you have this. If you have your own business you are selling, make sure you have it. If you work in a paid employment 9 to 5, make sure you have it. You are a housewife, make sure you have it. You are a husband, you are a father, make sure you have it. Things are getting difficult now, so you need something to boost, to assist you. You see, favor will locate you, breakthrough, success, riches. Things, people will be favoring you. People that you don't even imagine, that you don't even you never thought of will start favoring you. You start receiving favor. You start prosperity, wealth, money will start coming your way. You might not become millionaire overnight, but things will definitely change for the better. I hope I've given you value with this and you've got the value. If you have really got value from this, please subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Subscribe. It is free to do. Nobody is asking you for money. Just subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell, so that when next I release videos, you'll be the first to be notified. And for my returning subscriber, I want to really say thank you for your love. I will never take your love for granted. And don't forget, we can actually succeed together. Thank you.